there's Rampage.
Rapids.
Look at her.
Abby is paddling up a storm. We got it again.
Good thing I have some kosher in my hood.
Yeah. Look at that beautiful new bridge.
Get it!
Wow, they did.
Ramming speed.
New bridge.
Dad, stir the other way.
Whoop.
That's a nice setup there.
Yeah, I like it.
Look, the water has come all the way up to there. Kind of cool.
Yep.
I thought I was sharing.
That's a
mine there.
new bridge.
I'm the
It's
only one
really
that-
nice.
Yeah, the guy was saying that it was washed away.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Look at Abigail.
She is such a big girl. That was interesting. Brett was like, Morgan was younger than Abby when we first started hanging out. Dong, 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 dong.
Dad's mom's slanting.
That's probably because someone's leaning.
I'm not leaning. So what?
Blah, 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 blah.
It's really a nice bridge there.
One more bridge, then it's it.
Yeah.
That's really,
One more bridge, then it's it.
I think so, just one more. That's really nice inside too, babe. Like an old timey wood bridge.
Whoa.
Here's something that's apple trunk, so to speak.
Whoa. Yeah, look at
They have lights and all,
JJ.
babe. Or is that cameras?
No, it's just the bolt. Oh yeah, camera babe. Just camera. Mama, lala, makabunggo mo.
Mama.
Nainog ko no, no. I-stop ko dyan, ano ma-stop mo.
People everywhere.
Rage is coming.
You'll always beat the rafts.
2. This will be, we're near.
Yeah, I think we're really, really near.
Just don't paddle, Abigail.
It's already over.
It's already over.
You see all those yellow boats?
Yeah.
I think that's the end. You want it to be the end? Then you can have ice cream.
Yeah.
Come on. That's why they say when you see rocks, go fast.
Wow, look at that.
It's a black helicopter, guys.
Oh, for construction, baby. Use a helicopter. That's a heavy metal there.
Wow, tree cutter.
Whoa.
Tree trimmer. Your dad might miss the.
Yeah, they don't want you to get near.
Yeah, because you could really be demolished. Piranha. 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 Oh, Abigail, there's a dead guy. Ooh, he's waving.
Bye, Gareth.
Look out, Abigail, there's a big tree.
That was really neat, babe.
Yeah, I never saw one live in a helicopter. It's so loud.
It was so fast. Like,
Dad, look.
Yeah, it was neat when he put it down. I was like,
it was really loud.
oh, there's your third restaurant.
We have a lot of restaurants here.
Yeah. Junction.
The first, the very first, which is
Really
not.
junky.
Yeah, I think they just had like first tryout maybe.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, the other two are really elaborate. I like the second
This
one
one
the best.
too.
They're both at campgrounds, I think. But I think the end is really
Is it piranha?
Abigail, you're getting, well, like you're
Really
learning
growing up?
fast. You're learning fast.
You're paddling well.
Yeah.
What is
You're
try not to
helpful.
think about it, Mom?
Well, I like to appreciate.
You're peeing well. Oh,
Just
you're a good girl. You can pee well.
Yep, I think there's piranha.
Yeah, it's shallow.
Sorry. Oh.
It was
So I was so dry first
This
to
whole
almost time, and then at the end,
Abigail.
Abigail.
I
JJ was also. Oh!
I know, you guys were like stunned. He is such a sweet little kid. Yeah, it's in his hair and everything.
Sorry.
Charlie.
You're fine.
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Daddy. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
You have to hold it out.
Nah. Stop, Dad. You're making me wet.
That was kind of the idea.
Stop.
Stop it!
I'm gonna be free.
So they have to rent this for
Why?
the whole
So you
for
put
the whole
trash.
summer.
Mhm.
Oh, it's like money. Oh, rapper. I can't get it without.
Stuck on rock.
Yeah, I did that too. We went around and around. I guess I have to get wet.
Daddy.
I'm so. fish. Caught a fish.
Guest only. So you're going to rent for the whole. Or
Well,
the
it depends.
space?
Some people will rent for the entire season. And some people will just rent for the week. Almost at the end of it.
No, pack up to Grandpa.
Over there.
You're on that side. I'm on this.
It's getting a lot of noisy and stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Nothing.
Yeah. The ambiance is
Yeah.
improving. Well, these campers are the price of a house.
Look at that. It's Christmas already.
RVs. Well, they have this thing they call Christmas
In July.
Lola! Dad, give us a little.
They really zigzag. Look at the what? Dog?
No, give us a little.
Oh.
Look at this thing, kid, you know? So quiet. La, 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 la.
You can't stop now.
It's so shallow in here, Abby. That's why
Yeah.
that.
Shallow. Mid-July is like the least rain. The wood is getting